Do you believe that pickup trucks can also become legends? These vehicles are not just tools for transportation, but symbols of power, style, and rarity. Today, we will explore the 10 rarest American pickup trucks to ever hit the road, each with an incredible story to tell. These trucks will make you rethink what a pickup can be. Let's see what makes them so special, from their groundbreaking designs to their unbelievable performance. If you love high-end vehicles like these and don't want to miss out on more exciting videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of these legendary trucks. In the early 1970s, Dodge decided to add a little spice to its pickup truck line by introducing the Dude version. Produced from 1970 to 1971, the Dude was not just an ordinary truck, but also a fashion statement with its side stripes and bold Dude logo. This was Dodge's way of attracting customers who wanted a truck that was both powerful and stylish. Under the hood, the Dodge D100 Dude is equipped with a 5.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 230 horsepower. With a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck delivers an exciting driving experience, with enough power to tow significant loads, making it suitable for both work and play. The Dude stands out with its bright colors like yellow, orange, and green, complemented by black racing stripes running along the sides. The interior is simple yet functional, with fabric-covered seats and an easy-to-use dashboard. The spacious truck bed is ready for any task, from hauling goods to weekend camping trips. The standout feature of the Dude is its stylish package with unique decals and logos, turning it into a fashion icon on the streets. When it was released, the Dude was priced around $2,500. Today, remaining Dudes have become valuable collector's items, with their worth reaching up to $20,000, depending on condition and originality. In 1975, GMC decided that pickup trucks weren't just for work. They could also be a symbol of luxury, and thus, the Gentleman Jim was born. This is one of the few models from GMC aimed at customers who wanted a truck that was stylish, comfortable, and upscale. With limited production, the Gentleman Jim became one of the most sought-after collectible pickups of the 1970s. Under the hood, the Gentleman Jim is equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing around 175 horsepower. While not overly powerful by today's standards, this was an impressive figure for a truck in 1975. The 3-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and comfortable driving on the highway. This wasn't an off-road truck, but rather a sleek yet powerful vehicle designed for refined travel. The Gentleman Jim lives up to its name. It's the gentleman of the pickup truck world. The truck is painted in a sleek, mysterious black with gold accents, giving it a luxurious appearance that rivals any high-end vehicle. Inside, the interior is upgraded with premium velvet upholstery, thick carpeting, and a dashboard adorned with elegant wood trim. This is a pickup for those who want to drive something both powerful and refined. The standout feature of the Gentleman Jim is its unique combination of luxury and powerful performance. When it was released, the truck was priced around $4,500, a significant amount at the time. Today, due to its limited production, original Gentleman Jim trucks can fetch between $30,000 and $50,000, especially at classic car auctions. In 1991, Ford partnered with the American Sunroof Corporation, ASC, to create a special version of the Ranger called the Sky Ranger. The idea was to provide an open-air driving experience by equipping the pickup with a convertible top, a bold concept at the time. The Sky Ranger is equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, producing around 160 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the truck delivers smooth performance on both city streets and light off-road terrain. The standout feature of the Sky Ranger is its removable convertible top, offering a sense of freedom while driving. The truck also comes equipped with a roll bar for safety and weatherproofing for the interior. Inside, the premium fabric seats and modernly designed dashboard provide a comfortable experience for the driver. The Sky Ranger is one of the few convertible pickup trucks ever produced, making it a unique find for collectors. When it was released, the truck was priced around $15,000. Today, due to its rarity, the value of a Sky Ranger can reach up to $25,000 or more, depending on its condition and mileage. In the early 1990s, Ford decided to add a touch of night to the F-150 lineup by launching a special edition called the Night. Produced for 2 years, 1991 to 1992, this version was aimed at pickup truck enthusiasts who wanted a sportier, more mysterious, and stylish look. It was also one of Ford's efforts to refresh the F-Series and make it stand out more in the pickup truck market. The Ford F-150 Night is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, 185 horsepower, with an upgrade option to a 5.8-liter V8 engine, 210 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the truck delivers strong performance, making it suitable for both daily commuting and cargo hauling. The optional 4-wheel drive system allows the truck to handle various terrains, from city streets to light off-road trails. The standout feature of the F-150 Night is its striking all-black appearance. Unlike typical pickups, the Night features glossy black paint from front to back, complemented by green, red, purple racing stripes running along the sides, giving it a mysterious yet sporty look. Inside, the interior is designed with premium fabric seats, a black dashboard, and special trim details exclusive to this version. The uniqueness of the F-150 Night lies not only in its color, but also in the fact that Ford limited production of this model for a short period, making it a rare version within the F-Series lineup. When it was first released, the truck was priced around $16,000. Today, due to its rarity, original F-150 Nights can fetch between $25,000 and $40,000, especially those that are well preserved with low mileage. In the late 1970s, Dodge created a special edition called the Midnight Express to add to its high-performance pickup lineup. Produced in limited numbers, the Midnight Express is the nighttime sibling of the Lil Red Express. But instead of the bright red color, it wears a sleek black exterior, attracting those who appreciate power and mystery. The Midnight Express is equipped with a 7.2-liter V8 engine, 440 cubic inches, delivering impressive power for a pickup truck. With a 3-speed automatic transmission, this truck is not only powerful on straight roads, but also versatile for hauling goods, meeting the needs of both speed enthusiasts and those with work demands. The highlight of the Midnight Express is its sleek black paint combined with shiny chrome accents. The truck bed is equipped with wood trim, adding a classic and luxurious touch. Inside, the interior is simple yet functional, with fabric-covered seats and an easy-to-use dashboard, providing a comfortable experience for the driver. The Midnight Express stands out with its chrome dual exhaust pipes running along both sides of the truck bed, creating a powerful sound and unique style. When it was released, the truck was priced around $7,000. Today, due to its limited production, remaining Midnight Express trucks have become valuable collector's items, with their worth reaching up to $50,000 or more, depending on condition and originality. In 1987, GMC decided to bring a fresh breeze to the pickup truck market by introducing the special edition California Sundancer. Produced exclusively for the Southern California market, this model reflected the dynamic and energetic lifestyle of the sun-drenched region. The California Sundancer is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, providing around 175 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the truck offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. With its vibrant yellow paint combined with gray accents, the California Sundancer truly stands out on the streets. The interior is designed with premium fabric seats, a modern dashboard, and refined trim details, providing both comfort and style for the driver and passengers. When it was released, the truck was priced around $12,000. Today, due to its rarity and distinctive design, the value of the California Sundancer can reach up to $25,000 or more, depending on its condition and mileage. In 1984, Chevrolet introduced the special edition Snow Chaser, based on the K10 model, aimed at customers living in areas with heavy snowfalls. The Snow Chaser was designed to tackle slippery roads and harsh weather conditions, becoming a reliable companion during the cold winter months. The Snow Chaser is equipped with a 5.7-liter V8 engine, producing around 175 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, allowing the truck to easily navigate snow-covered roads. The truck bed is equipped with a protective barrier and a non-slip coating, making hauling goods in snowy conditions safer. Inside, the cabin is cozy with fabric-covered seats, a heating system, and a user-friendly dashboard. When it was released, the truck was priced around $13,000. Today, due to its limited production and special features, remaining Snow Chaser trucks can be valued up to $30,000, depending on condition and originality. In 1976, to commemorate the 200th anniversary of America's independence, Dodge introduced the special edition D100 Spirit of 76. This model was not just a vehicle, but also a symbol of patriotism and national pride. The Spirit of 76 is equipped with a 5.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 150 horsepower. The 4-speed manual transmission offers a raw and powerful driving experience. The Spirit of 76 stands out with its white paint, complemented by red and blue trim details, creating the image of the American flag on the sides. The interior is designed simply yet elegantly. The truck bed is spacious, making it suitable for a variety of uses. The highlight of the Spirit of 76 is its design, which strongly reflects patriotic spirit, with special trim details commemorating the 200th anniversary of independence. When it was released, the truck was priced around $5,000. Today, remaining Spirit of 76 trucks have become valuable collector's items, with their worth reaching up to $20,000 or more, depending on condition and originality. In 2004 to 2005, Dodge decided to create a sportier version of the Ram 1500 by partnering with Lingenfelter Performance Engineering to release the Hemi GTX. This limited edition model was designed to attract speed enthusiasts, while also offering a more eye-catching appearance compared to the standard Ram models. Under the hood, the Hemi GTX is equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing up to 345 horsepower. A quite impressive figure for a pickup truck at the time. Paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, the truck delivers powerful acceleration, along with a sport-tuned suspension that enhances the driving experience. The Hemi GTX stands out with its striking bright paint, complemented by racing stripes running along the hood and truck bed, giving it a muscular appearance. Inside, the truck features premium leather seats with the GTX logo embroidered on the headrests. The standout feature of the Hemi GTX is its bold design and powerful Hemi engine. When it was released, the truck was priced around $35,000. Today, due to its limited production and the interest from collectors, remaining Hemi GTX trucks can fetch between $25,000 and $40,000, depending on their condition and preservation. In the mid-1970s, Jeep, famous for its rugged off-road vehicles, decided to create a more stylish pickup version called the J10 Honcho. The word honcho, which means boss in Spanish, perfectly fits this model as it became one of Jeep's most unique and stylish pickups. The Jeep J10 Honcho offered various engine options, with the most common being the 5.9-liter V8 engine, producing around 175 horsepower. The full-time four-wheel drive system provides impressive off-road capability, easily tackling tough terrains. The Honcho is perhaps one of the most standout pickups in terms of design, with its bright paint and large decals running along the sides, clearly reflecting its off-road adventure style. The truck comes with oversized tires and flared wheel arches, enhancing its performance on rugged terrain. Inside, the interior is fairly basic, but still offers comfort with fabric-covered seats and a neatly designed dashboard. The appeal of the Jeep J10 Honcho lies in its wild Western-inspired look, combined with powerful off-road capabilities. When it was released, the truck was priced around $5,000. Today, due to the rarity of this model, the value of a Honcho on the classic car market can range from $20,000 to $50,000, depending on its condition and originality. And there you have it. We've explored the 10 rarest American pickup trucks of all time. From the classic-style Dodge D100 Dude to the rugged Dodge Midnight Express, each of these trucks has its own fascinating story and unique design. If you're a fan of classic pickups, you might want to hunt down one of these models to add to your collection. Leave a comment below and let us know which truck you like the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting videos coming your way.